www.worldofitech.com. How to view saved Wi-Fi passwords on Android. Need to see the Wi-Fi password for a saved network on your Android phone? Attempt these applications and tips. Considering how to show a Wi-Fi password on Android. Maybe you're associated with a network where you forgot the password, or want to check the password for a friend's network so you can connect another gadget. No matter the reason, we'll tell you how to find saved Wi-Fi passwords on Android using a few of various strategies. Note that these only let you see the password for networks you've as of now associated with before. How to see Wi-Fi passwords on Android without root. Beginning in Android 10, you would now be able to see the Wi-Fi passwords for your saved networks without a rooted device. Let's look at how to do this on stock Android 11. The process might look marginally changed relying upon your phone and Android version. To see a Wi-Fi password on Android 10 or later, open Settings and head to Network and Internet. Tap Wi-Fi and you'll see your present Wi-Fi network at the top of the list. Select it, or a past connection in Saved Networks list below, to see options for the network. On this page, select the Share button. You'll have to confirm your face, fingerprint, or enter your PIN code to move on. When you do, you'll see your network's Wi-Fi password listed below a QR code. On the off chance that the password doesn't show up for reasons unknown, you can check the QR code on another gadget to add it to the network. How to see Wi-Fi passwords on Android 9 and older. In case you're running Android 9 or prior, or your phone doesn't highlight the previous option, you'll need to go to different strategies to reveal your Wi-Fi password. Unfortunately, these techniques all require a rooted Android device. This is on the grounds that the file that holds the Wi-Fi credentials for saved networks is in a protected directory of your phone's storage. You don't have permission to see the folder or the file inside it unless if you're rooted. In case you are rooted, you can head to Data, MISC, Wi-Fi using a File Explorer application that supports root browsing. Open WPA_supplicant conference and you should see your network name, SSID, and its password, PSK. In the event that this doesn't work, or you want to attempt another strategy, you can try using an Android Wi-Fi password viewer application like Wi-Fi Password Viewer. These let you select a saved network to see the password. They require root, and have mixed reviews, so your mileage may vary. In the event that your phone encrypts the file containing Wi-Fi passwords, there's not much they can do. Like and share this video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.